Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel, Mindiverse. Here in this channel, let's look at the mind together, explore the mind, the nature of it, the essence of it together. This is Seiko, a guy who was born and grew up in China. Of course, his main language is Chinese, but now he's using English to share the insight with people all over the world. Not as a master or as a guru, but as a friend. So let's look at the mind to find the truth about the mind. Seiko is also organizing regular meditation sessions via the internet. If you are interested, welcome to join in the session to explore the mind together. Or simply watch the playback from YouTube, or listen to the audio program from all podcast programs by searching Mindiverse Awakening Talk. Now, let's start the journey together.